Hey traders! Welcome to MQL Secure, the smart, white-labeled solution for protecting your expert advisors and indicators on MT4 and MT5. Our remote licensing system keeps your software safe from hackers and unauthorized use with features like account number locking and expiration dates. Plus, your customers can manage their own licenses without constantly reaching out to you. Less hassle, more security, and a better experience for everyone. Let's dive into our remote licensing system demo. The first thing you'll notice is the login page, where both admins and customers can log in. Customers can also sign up and reset their passwords effortlessly. For branding, we offer full customization, allowing you to add your logo, domain name, and even different language options. If you have a website, we can help you integrate MQL Secure under your own brand and domain. Now, let's log in as an admin. Once inside, you'll land on the Licenses page, where you can create, edit, activate, or deactivate licenses for your customers. You'll also manage your EAs and indicators here, ensuring that each product is tied to a specific license. Before we explore licensing in detail, let's download and test a sample EA. Navigate to the Products tab, select a product, and download the moving average EA for MT5. Our licensing system supports both MT4 and MT5. To install the EA, copy the downloaded file into your MetaTrader Experts folder and do the same for the library file in the Libraries folder. This step is crucial. Without the library file, the EA won't function properly. Now, let's open MetaTrader, refresh the experts list, and apply the EA to a chart. Since the EA is protected, it will require a license key before activation. If a key isn't provided, the EA won't initialize. To get a license key, we need to head back to our MQL Secure admin dashboard and create a new license. As an admin, click New License, and you'll be taken to the license creation page. Here, you will select the product, which in this case is the moving average EA for MT5. Each license is product-specific, ensuring the key only works for the intended EA or indicator. You will then set the number of allowed accounts. For this example, we'll allow up to 10 accounts per license. Next, enter the customer's email, which will be used for account validation. You can also set an expiration date to determine how long the license remains active. Additional restrictions are available, such as limiting trading to live or demo accounts, restricting trading pairs and timeframes, and setting account balance limits. Now, let's see what the customer experience looks like. When a customer signs up, their email must match the one entered during license creation. Once logged in, they will see their licenses page, where they can view license details, copy their license key, and add or modify account numbers linked to their license. Now, let's test the license validation. The customer copies their license key and attempts to activate the EA before entering their account number. Since the account isn't linked, the EA remains inactive. To fix this, they add their MetaTrader account number in their dashboard, save it, and re-attempt activation. Now, the EA recognizes the valid license, allowing it to run. MQL Secure ensures that each license is continuously verified. If an account is removed or the license expires, the system will automatically deactivate the EA in real time. As an admin, you have full control over license restrictions. Here are a few powerful features you can apply. You can set an expiration date so the license automatically deactivates after a certain period. If expired, the EA will stop running. If you need to revoke access for refunds or violations, you can deactivate the license instantly by toggling the active license switch off. The EA will immediately stop working. You can also restrict licenses by setting minimum and maximum account balance limits, ensuring that only accounts within a specified balance range can use the EA. Another useful feature is restricting trading to specific currency pairs and timeframes, preventing misuse of your software. To do this, simply enter the allowed pairs and timeframes in the system. The system is case-sensitive, so correct formatting is necessary. If a user tries to run the EA on an unauthorized pair or timeframe, the license will be invalid. In addition, you can restrict trading to live or demo accounts, allowing the EA to run only on one type of account. You can also disable backtesting, preventing unauthorized use of your EA in the strategy tester. If a user tries to run the EA in the tester while backtesting is disabled, it will not function. Re-enabling it will allow backtesting again. MQL Secure isn't just about protection, it's about making your life easier. Our white-labeled remote licensing system keeps your expert advisors and indicators safe from hacking and decompilation while letting customers manage their own licenses, saving you time and hassle. If you're selling EAs and indicators, securing them is a must, and MQL Secure lets you focus on growing your business while we handle the protection. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Ready to secure your EAs? Visit mqlsecure.com to get started today. See you in the next one.